Here's a quick walk around of this thing. It's raining this morning. It is a sharp car. Currently you're going to see definitely scratches and touches up. And some good kind of scratches. Not too bad though overall. It's got something going on here. We're gonna have to try to wet sand off. It might come off all the way, it might not. Maybe that was an egg or something. Wheels are in medium condition. Runs good. And just general scratches and stuff. A little extra from the general. This is the rain look. So these just need replaced in the middle there. Other than that, the interior's what you'd expect. It's all here. Let's see about getting that sewn a little bit. The stripe has crackulations in it. It's the stripe that goes both front and back. So a good bit of craculation. The stripe needs fixed. That's just the walk around look. So you see what we're working with here right now. Thanks. Bye.